Well, this is the first year of the Polar Plunge here at St Clair College Thames campus, our Chatham campus. When this idea came to you months ago that Chatham-Kent Police Services, Emergency Service, paramedics, everybody is going to be raising money for Special Olympics, and they said, okay, we're going to have you jump in a big pool of ice in the cold water that's set up a couple days before. On a Saturday in January, I'm sure the reaction amongst your board table was a little
Yeah, we all thought, like, how crazy are these people? But then after they talked to us and realized what it was for, we kind of changed what we were thinking about. Like, this is great for the school, great for the community, and we surpassed our goal by $3,600. So in our first year, that's amazing. And yeah, we're all really happy that it went so well.
And $10,000 is a big for a first time something, but they surpassed it. I mean to hit the $13,600, you got to be proud to be a part of something like that.
Yeah, it's amazing. Like, the whole community came together, the college came together. We had over 20 plungers from our campus alone come and support, and besides that, we raised a lot of money on the side. So yeah, it was great community involvement and everyone else.
Today's Polar Plunge was a fundraiser for Special Olympics Ontario in partnership with the Law Enforcement Torch Run, where we got members of local law enforcement, our community at Chatham-Kent, Police Foundation's Border Services students at St Clair College. We had members from Good Life Fitness in Chatham, Chatham-Kent EMS. We brought everyone together, a community event for a fundraiser for Special Olympics Ontario. The Law Enforcement Torch Run is the charity of choice for the Ontario Association of Chiefs of Police. For myself, I work in our patrol support unit, or the traffic office, and I worked with Constable Mike Curry, who was involved with Special Olympics Ontario for over 30 years. We had a goal of 10,000. The last total I looked at was just shy of 14,000. We had 42 sign up online for the online registration.
Some people jumped in twice. I mean, it's crazy. And how many times did you go?
I've jumped in twice in a row. The first one was the standard jump, the feet first jump, and then I was challenged to do the face first belly flop.
Thank you for all the people in the back. I know a lot of office work and people putting this together, and volunteers today did a great job. Thank you for coming to St Clair College Healthplex, and we hope to do it again and continue services.